Hello, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. In this video, I'm going to do an aerobic bootcamp suite, basically an ab aerobics bootcamp suite. So strength training for the abs to build strength and tone your midsection, but also aerobics to get your heart going and your blood circulating and all that good stuff. As you're doing an aerobic workout. Okay. All right. So basically. You can start out with some crunches, which is what I normally do, crunches or push-ups. But in this video, I'm going to do some crunches. I love crunches. I think crunches is one of the best ways to tone your abs and strengthen your abs. And if you strengthen your abs, then it also strengthens your lower back. So if you have lower back problems, probably sleeping something like that. Okay. Then you can work on your abs, which helps to stabilize your back. Okay. So if it's just a good way to help your lower back, in case you have problems now or you want to prevent problems in the future. Anyway, okay, so let's start with the crunches. There are three basic footing positions. In terms of the chair to the side, three basic footing positions. I can stick my feet close to my body. I can stick my feet about midways out, or I can stick my feet far out and then, bring them out like this, okay? So basically one of the, today I'm going to do the close feet I'm going to do the crunches with my feet close to my body, okay? But basically there are three positions: close, mid, and outward, far, outward. And the outward ones are pretty tough. But anyway, so do it close in, and they all target the abs from a different area. At a different point, I should say. They target the abs at a different point. Okay, so just make sure your form is correct. You're just kind of moving your legs like a robot, basically. And then I can switch from side to side to sort of target the obliques. Oh. All right, so we got a couple sets of the crunches in here, and then move to the aerobics part, the fun part. Okay. All right, and then you can just do some quick aerobics. So that's what I usually do. Just kind of raise your knees up, raise your arms up. Get some aerobics in there. It also helps to burn fat. Aerobics obviously, as everyone knows, helps to burn fat. Okay. All right, and then you can do this one. This is one of my favorites for the obliques, abs, and overall obliques. Just swing your leg to the opposite side of your body. Swing your hips to the other side, like so. Really helps to target the abs and the obliques, kind of firm you up. And when you get into the motion of it, you can really feel it targeting your abs. Okay, and then just kind of lift your leg up to one side, like so. So, which really targets the obliques and the overall abs, and gives you an aerobic workout at the same time. Okay. All right, and then twist your body. Just you're going to do a twist in there. While you lift your knees up. Okay, here we go. There's the aerobic part, the fun part. All right, and then move back to the side. Okay, move back to the crunches. with the close in foot position. Side to side. Turning those obliques. Okay. Whew, this is a heck of a workout. Heck of an aerobics workout. Heck of an abs workout. An ab workout. Whew. All right. This is really the only ab workout you'll ever need. Just by combining the strength training part, the crunches or the sit-ups, whatever. You can also do both, together. You can do crunches, sit-ups, and aerobics at the same time, which I have done in other videos. Today I'm just doing the crunches with the aerobics. The only ab workout I ever need. Trust me. Great workout. All right, so again, that portion, so back to the aerobics. Okay, swing the legs from side to side again. Swing your hips to one side, leg to the opposite side. Target those abs. Target the obliques. Trust me, this will be a dance step, one of these days. This will be like a new dance step, All right, so, and then do this one. Side to side, just lift the legs up to the side of your body. While lifting your hands up to maintain balance. Really targets those obliques. All right, and then twist your body. Bring your knees up, twist your body at the same time. Okay. All right, back to the crunches once again. Whew. Oh. All right. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, getting tough now. So remember, abs are something you can work out pretty much every day or every other day. If you really want good abs, you can do it. Try to do this workout 2 to 3 times a week. You'll have good abs. You'll have a lot better, abs than you do now. I guarantee that. Oh. 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 All right, so this will be the last round. Breaking the carpet there. All right, so just lift your knees up and your arms up as high as you can. It's a high intensity workout, but it's also doesn't take very long. It's high intensity, low time commitment, short time. Okay, side to side. Okay. And then twist your body. Knees up. Twist your body. Oh, okay. Woo! All right. That's a good workout. I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more hard set. Okay, that's about burned out on those. Okay, so that is the ab workout. That is the ab aerobics boot camp suite. TM. I haven't TM'd that yet, but I will someday. I trust you. It'll be the ab aerobics boot camp suite. No, really, that's a fantastic workout. I'm joking about it, but I mean that if you do that, like I say, 2 to 3 times a week, you will not have any fat problems. And I'm not saying eat what you like, but I eat pretty healthy. But sometimes I indulge. But that workout will keep you from getting an ab section that you don't want, basically, that you'd rather not have. But like I said, 2 to 3 times a week, and you will not have any fat problems. As long as you eat reasonably well. Reasonably well. I mean, not a McDonald's every day. Like an ice cream sundae every 3 meals a day. Anyway, so this is Byron signing off. Love that workout. That took me. I'm still under 12 minutes. And that is it's very intense, but short time commitment, short time span workout. Fantastic. Keeps you in shape. Anyway, everyone keep motivated to work out at home out there. And, if you can do it anytime in your spare time and on your own terms and no waiting and no cost. Free. I love free. Anyway, well, thank you very much. Keep motivated to work out at home. Stay strong. See you next time. Bye-bye.